హలో, దిస్ ఈజ్ లక్ష్మీ నారాయణ, లెక్చరర్ ఇన్ ఎకనామిక్స్, గవర్నమెంట్ డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ పెద్దపల్లి. ఈరోజు లెక్చర్లో భాగంగా సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అనే టాపిక్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. ఈ యొక్క టాపిక్ అవుట్లైన్ చూసినప్పుడు ఇంట్రడక్షన్, వాట్ ఈస్ డెవలప్మెంట్, సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి, వ్యూస్ ఆఫ్ సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్, కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్, ఎవాల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్, ది పిల్లర్స్ ఆఫ్ సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్, changing perspective of the sustainable development, approaches of sustainable development, sustainability principles, multiple crisis and sustainable development, conclusion. ఈ యొక్క 12 అంశాల గురించి మనం ఈ టాపిక్లో చర్చించుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ చూసినప్పుడు ద టర్మ్ సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫస్ట్ కమ్ టు ప్రామినెన్స్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ కన్జర్వేషన్ స్ట్రాటజీ ఇన్ 1980. It achieved a new status with the publication of two significant reports by Brundtland on North and South, a program for survival and common crisis 1985, and our common future, and has gained even greater attention since the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development held in Rio de Janeiro in June 1992. మనకు బ్రట్లాండ్ కమిషన్ రిపోర్టులో మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా ఈ యొక్క సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అనే పదాన్ని వాడడం జరిగింది. ఫస్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ డెవలప్మెంట్? జనరల్లీ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ద గ్రాడ్యువల్ గ్రోత్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్ that becomes more advanced and strong than previous one. అంతకుముందు దానికంటే ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో మనం ముందుకు వెళ్ళినట్లయితే దాన్ని మనం డెవలప్మెంట్గా చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. డెవలప్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఇంటెండెడ్ టు బ్రింగ్ ఏ పాజిటివ్ చేంజ్ ఫర్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ సరౌండింగ్స్. డెవలప్మెంట్ మే టేక్ ప్లేస్ బై బ్రింగింగ్ అబౌట్ ఏ చేంజ్ ఇన్ పాలసీ, ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అండ్ లెజిస్లేషన్. Development is a unfolding of human potentials for meaningful participation in economic, social, political and cultural process and institutions so that people can improve their conditions. డెవలప్మెంట్ అనేది ఒకటే ఆస్పెక్ట్ కాకుండా అనేక రకాలైన ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ కింద మనం చూడడం జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్? సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఎ డెవలప్మెంట్ దట్ మీట్స్ ద needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generatives to meet their own needs. కొనసాగించగల అభివృద్ధి అంటే ప్రస్తుత అవసరాలు తీర్చుకొని భవిష్యత్ అవసరాల కోసం కూడా మన వనరులను ఉంచే విధంగా తయారవ్వాలి. Graham Halland and Brundtland first introduced the concept of sustainable development in 1987. He was then the Prime Minister of Norway and Chairman of the World Environment and Development. ఇతను మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా ఈ యొక్క సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అనే పదాన్ని వాడడం జరిగింది. వరల్డ్ కమిషన్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అనే దానికి ఇతను చైర్మన్. అదేవిధంగా ఆయన నార్వే యొక్క ప్రధాని గ్రో హర్లిమ్ బ్రట్లాండ్ అనే అతని పేరు మీదుగా దీన్ని మనం అతను కమిషన్ వేస్తారు. కమిషన్ పేరు బ్రట్లాండ్ కమిషన్. ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్స్ అండ్ వెల్ బీయింగ్, ప్రిజర్వింగ్ నేచురల్ రిసోర్సెస్ అండ్ ఎకోసిస్టమ్స్. అంటే సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్స్ అండ్ వెల్ బీయింగ్, జీవన ప్రమాణాలను, జీవన నైపుణ్యాలను పెంచుకోవడంతో ఆటోమేటిక్గా నేచురల్ రిసోర్సెస్, ఎకోసిస్టమ్ అనేది కూడా ప్రిజర్వ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే కొనసాగించగల అభివృద్ధి అనేది సాధ్యమవుతుంది. ఎవాల్యూషన్ అండ్ సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ రియో డి జెనీరోస్బర్గ్. ది ల్యాండ్మార్క్ ఈవెంట్ ఇన్ ద ఎవాల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ had been the 1972 Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment convened by the United Nations, the report of the World Commission on Environment and Development, our common future, and the 1992 United Nations Conference on Environment and Development or Rio Earth Summit as a commonly referred to the many activities between successive landmark events sought to build on the outcome of the previous event to clarify issues and to provide inputs into a preparatory process of the following events. The United Nations established a Commission on Sustainable Development in December 1992 to ensure an effective follow-up and said to monitor to report on the implementation of the Earth Summit agreements at the local, national, regional and international levels. Rio plus special session in the General Assembly held in June 1997 adapt a comprehensive program for the future implementation of Agenda 21 as well as the work progress of CSD for 1997 to 2002. The Kyoto Protocol adopted in December 1997 and the conferences of the parties held over the years have made some advances relating to clarification of various aspects of financing and implementing sustainable development globally. Sustainable development యొక్క మెయిన్ థీమ్ ఏం maximizing the probability of achieving sustainable development, minimizing the chances of environmental degradation. Maximizing the probability of achieving sustainable development, minimizing the chances of environmental degradation. Four major components: the climate change, nutrient cycles, hydrological cycle, biodiversity. Example of sustainable development: solar energy. The greatest advantage of solar energy are that it is completely free and is available in limitless supply. Both of these factors provide a huge benefit to consumers and help reduce pollution. Replacing non-renewable energy with this type of energy is both environmentally and financially effective. Wind energy is another ready available wind energy source. Harnessing is the power of wind energy necessitates the use of windmills. However, due to construction cost of the finding a suitable location, the kind energy is meant to service more than just the individual wind energy can supplement or even replace the cost of grid power and therefore may be a good investment and remains a great example of sustainable development. అదేవిధంగా crop rotation. This farming practice is beneficial in several ways, most notably because it is a chemical free. Crop rotation has been proven to maximize the growth potential of land while also preventing disease and insects in the soil. Not only can this form of development benefit commercial farmers, but it can also hold those who garden at home. Effective water fixtures. According to the EPA, it takes a lot of energy to produce and transport water, to process wastewater, and since less than the percent of the Earth's available water supply is fresh water, it is important that sustainable water use is implied at the individual and societal level. Green space. According to the UW Madison Department of Urban and Region Planning, advantages of green spaces include helping regulate air quality and climate, reducing energy consumption by countering the warming effects of paved surfaces, recharging groundwater supplies, and protecting lakes and streams from polluted runoff. Next, pillars for sustainable development. Interdependent and mutually reinforcing pillars of sustainable development: social development, environmental protection, economic development. A four pillar cultural diversity is as necessary for humankind as biodiversity is for nature. Sustainable development cannot be understood simply simplify in terms of economic growth, but also as a means to achieve a more satisfactory intellectual, emotional, moral, and spiritual existence. Culture, how human beings make sense of the world, how people think, learn, and solve problems, what they value and respect, what attracts and delights them, what attain them, and their sense of what is appropriate. The soil in which the freely identify has its roots manifests itself human relation systems of organization, technology, arts, politics, economics, community life, and all the things of human do. A metaphor for culture, artif- artifact and behavior, beliefs and values, assumptions, laws, language, folklore, laws, music, customs, food, highly patterned implicit rules of behavior, hidden cultural grammar, visible culture, primary level culture. There is a underlying hidden level of cultural that is highly patterned, a set of spoken implicit rules, the behavior that the controls of everything we do. This hidden culture grammar defines the way in which people view the world, determines their values, and establishes the basic tempo and rhythms of life. Most most of most of us are either totally unaware or else only peripherally aware of these. I call these hidden paradigms primer level culture. Other metaphors for culture, the collective programming of the mind which distinguishes the members of the one group from another, the software of the mind, the eyes through which we see the world. Putting it all together, environmental protection, economic development, cultural diversity, social development. What are the desired outcomes of sustainable development? Clean water and air, safety from the poverty and diseases, fertile soil and good food, social conduct and a sense of community, a livelihood and a healthy economy, work, rest and celebrations, an optimum population size, opportunities to learn, halting global warming. SIDA's framework identifies key features for the pillars of the environmental sustainability, economic development, social development, cultural diversity. Environmental protection, ecosystem integrity, biological diversity, managed population size. Environmental protection, economic development, appropriate economic policies, efficient resource allocation, more equitable access to resources, increasing the produce capacity to the poor. Environmental protection, economic development, social development, improved income distribution, gender equity, investing in basic health and education, emphasizing participation of the beneficiaries. Environmental protection, economic development, social development, cultural diversity, sensitivity to cultural factors, recognition of values, conceived to development. The principles of sustainable development, respect and care for the community of it, improve the quality of human life, conserve the earth's vitality and diversity, minimize the depletion of non-renewable resources, keep within the earth's carrying capacity, change attitude and practices, enable communities to care for their own environments, provide a national framework for integrating development and conservation, create a global alliance. Sustainable principles, reduce dependence upon fossils fuel, underground metals and minerals, reduce dependence upon synthetic chemicals and other unnatural substances, reduce enviro, reduce encroachment upon nature, meet human needs fairly and efficiently. Sustainable issues are to be analyzed at various levels: global level, ozone depletion, climate change and air pollution; regional national level, water pollution, water depletion, deforestation, fisheries depletion, biodiversity, desert, desertification, and erosion. Local a plot a form of a village, soil losses, loss of soil quality, loss of from farm income. The principles of sustainable development. What is our goal in sustainable development? Sustainable development requires the active involvement of all stakeholders, government, NGOs, private sectors, but also civil society. It is not just politicians or policymakers who decide what sustainable development would be like. You have to remind policymakers to make decisions to protect your future. You can remind them that you want better jobs, cleaner cities, more equitable resources distribution, and above all, a guarantee that your future is secure, full of opportunity, a pleasant world to live in, and a healthy planet. Problems where poverty and population pressure intersect, human and their environment suffer. What is needed to achieve the sustainable development? Eco-friendly. Present generation should aware for needs of presence and future generation, and also ensure the productive assets available to future generation are not. Such technologies need to be developed and implemented which help to conserve resources, prevent unnecessary pollution, and help restore the environmental wherever appropriate. Symptoms of crisis. Some examples of the impact of climate change on the earth. We need to spread of social awareness to bring massive change in the social attitude. Action must be taken against the backdrop of serious inequities and their impact on the environment. Environment mistakes of the past need not to be repeated as past patterns of degradation are not inevitable. There are many always communicating what sustainable practice is. However, what is most important is to understand the connect, connectedness of the each of the areas. Thank you very much.